down at the bottom. Problem D is x squared minus 5x plus 9 equals 0. First, we want to make sure that it is in standard form. Is it set equal to 0? Yes. Are the exponents going down? Yes. So it's in standard form. We simply look in front of each term to get our A, B, and C. In front of that x squared is the number that you can't see, but it's a 1. Okay? In front of x is negative 5. That's our B. And the constant term is 9. That's our C. Any questions on how to get A, B, or C? Okay. Now we're going to plug these three numbers into our quadratic formula. Here's what it looks like plugged in to the quadratic formula. We have x equals negative b, which is negative 5, plus or minus the square root of b squared, b is negative 5, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 9, all over 2a, which is 1. Okay? So everything's plugged in, nice and neat. And now on the next step is where we can simplify. The opposite of negative 5 is positive 5. That's an easy simplify, right? Rewrite your plus minus sign, rewrite your square root sign, and then under that radical, you can start to simplify. Negative 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times 1 times 9. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. So we should have minus 36. And then in the denominator, 2 times 1 is 2. Now we can simplify under that denominator just a little bit more. And we're going to do 25 minus 36, which is negative 11. So we have 5 plus the square root of negative 11 and 5 minus the square root of negative 11, and then each of them divided by 2. However, we have a problem. If we go to take the square root on our calculator of negative 11, what happens? What does the calculator say? Error. Why? Right. You cannot have a negative number under that radical. It's no real solution. Okay? It would be an imaginary solution, which you don't know how to do yet. So for now, you just say no real solution, and you're done. Okay? Versus, back up on problem B, how many answers did we get? 2 answers. Because we had what kind of number under that radical? A positive number, right? A positive number under the radical is going to get you 2 answers. A negative answer under the radical is going to get you no real solution. What do you think will happen if you end up with 0 under the radical? How many solutions do you think you'll have? 1, right? Because when you take the square root of 0, you get 0. If you add 0, you get the same number. If you subtract 0, you get the same number. So it's just going to give you 1